Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We have enjoyed our last night in a hotel, hopefully, for the rest of the week. And I am super nervous about this check on the car because we switched to water wetter and water, and it got to 28 degrees last night. So, let's see how my gallon of water did outside. I think we'll be okay. How you doing this morning? A little cold? Better than yesterday. No one stole the bike. No one stole the car. Still got a trailer. Alrighty, let's go do an oil check and catch cans. Alrighty, catch can number one. Catch can number one. Not too bad. Catch can number two. Not too bad. All right, let's check on the oil level. Perfect. Running that L Motorcraft day. Antifreeze looks good. Brake juice looks good. Alrighty. Let's do a cold start. Well, that should be the last one of these we do this whole trip. Then it's going to be cold starts on old Project Apocalypse. Okay, you guys want to see what my surprise was? Accelerated Automotive. We got there and we were looking around at my back tires and they're not the greatest. I mean, Goodyear integrities. Except, well, I mean, we're losing the integrity. So they're like, hey, I might have some 15s out back if you're interested in them. I'm like, well, let's go see what you got. And they come up with these guys. Hercules. 4,000 horsepower. And then we're like, wait a minute. Well, look at that. I mean, they're not identical, but I mean, they're about as close as you can get. Those are just the radial GTs. But I mean, these guys are, we're not even going to talk about how old those guys are. But these guys would look pretty stiffy. Way back here. Matching the front. White letter. American Racings. Now all we got to do is find a shop that'll do it for us. Or somewhere. I'll find somewhere. Whether it's today or tomorrow. Or the next day. It's getting done. Eventually. So, let's go ahead and head up to Walmart. Grab some food for the week. And then, we'll be at South Georgia Motorsports Park. Unloading all this. Parking up the truck. Well, ladies and gentlemen. I think we're here.
Well, maybe not.
Uh-oh. That gate's closed. Next gate.
Here's another one up here. Tone in the 6 week.
Hell, a lot of people here.
25.
South Georgia Motorsports Park. We have made it all the way here.
Not yet. I'm not in the gate.
We're here. I can limp it in with the starter. There. Now we're here. With a trailer we built out of a camper frame. And of course we're next behind one of these guys with a really, 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 really nice setup.
He's from Texas. He's from Texas.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, we have arrived at South Georgia Motorsports Park with the camper and car in tow, and it's 57 degrees at 12:01. Alrighty, well, we're here. We're right up by the gate. Got us a nice little big pit. Man, this trailer's long. Hopefully we can just scooch everything right off and then bring it right on over here. And hopefully they'll let us camp right there.
All right, get Get the bike off of there, and then we're unpacked for Circuit 2025.
I'm gonna go find a bathroom. Yeah, this ain't gonna work at all. All done.
You got it? Okay.
I'm gonna go make my first pass. I'm just kidding. Poor straps have been stuck in this position for
3 days now. Well, 4 days. That's the day before.
I think I can.
I think I can. I think I can. I think I can. This is demonstrated by a toddler right here. They charge just a lot of money for that. Right?
Like, we have to like actually do everything now.
Yeah, and actually unload. Hey, so here's the good news. You welded a trailer together and it made it to Florida, and none of the welds broke. Georgia.
Florida line.
Georgia, Florida line. South Georgia. I mean, really beautiful out here. I'm waiting for the palm trees. That's what I want. There's a crate in the back of that truck. So there's either a motor or a transmission in it.
What?
There's a crate in the back of that truck right there. There's either a motor or a transmission into it, and he just bought it.
Somebody might have been having a bad day. But it's better now because the motor's. Oh, don't hit the camper! I'm that close to losing my shit right now.
Gotta go to the other side to help you. Gotta move those straps too.
Wood's there to hopefully not take out my bumper cover this time. Like, look at that. Clearance for days now. Well, who decided to put the car so low?
All eyes are on you.
No, I think it was whoever built the car. That guy. Alrighty, well we threw the slicks on top. We're in a rush right now. We can go get teched in, so that means we don't have to do it tomorrow. So let's go ahead and go do all that. Oh, you want to tell them what just happened?
He passed tech.
Well, at least this part. We haven't gotten our stickers yet.
Yeah, got you.
But they came and they checked out that we had coolant overflow. They checked our fuel pressure regulator. They just kind of looked over the engine bay, made sure nothing was going to be dangerous. They checked out our harnesses. They checked out our jacket, helmet, battery, switch, neutral safety switch, and we got to move. Got a few more things to do, get up through the rest of the line, and we'll get our stickers, and hopefully we'll be into sick week. And then we can just worry about packing up the trailer, get the tent ready to go, get the truck ready to go to impound, and we'll have a relaxing afternoon. What the heck is that? Well, we're about to go break the wife's heart. Hey, honey, everything but the C has to go.
Okay. We'll start taking them off.
I know, you love that number, don't you?
I figured we would have to.
You want to get a razor blade?
I might have to.
Or do you want to try to save them and put it on the camper?
I don't think it's going to be able to be
Okay. Getting new numbers.
Car number 114.
How many times do you think we're going to write car C201?
A lot.
Yeah.
Or C201S.
And then we'll put sick week right there.
That is some good vinyl. There you go.
What do you think?
I like it.
C114P now.
Different.
It is different. We're doing the thing. Well, today has been pretty much a cakewalk. We got everything set up. I got everything out of the truck. All we have out now is oil change for tomorrow, our coolers, more drinks, our new tires that'll be going on those. Instead of, I mean, look at these. Where's the bad spot at? I mean, look at all that dry rot. So we're gonna run those. Wife's got the grill hooked up, cooking up some hot dogs.
Ooh, we should go get some hamburger meat and make some hamburger patties.
We could.
Bacon hamburger.
Ooh, yeah.
Or either the bacon or wrap them in sauce.
Got the wife's rig all set up. Got the bike because you know someone's. And then the daughter. Oh, hers isn't on here.
It's on the...
Got everything in the camper ready to go. I mean, we are way more organized. Decided to pass on one of the T5s. I tore it apart, could not get it to go together right. So, got everything ready to go for tomorrow. If anybody's out here and you're a subscriber, come stop by. You're going to sign the trailer, so let me know. Already got the truck, already got the car and track trim. Just got to do an oil change in the morning, warm it up, put the banner on because holy cow, this thing's huge. And then we should be good to go. Get more with you guys tomorrow. I think we're just going to go around, chit chat, see some people. And then, you know, tomorrow is day 0. We can make a pass tomorrow. If it goes good, we can turn that in and get a head start on day 1. Maybe we can spend some more time with the stops. That's 300 miles on day 1. I mean, it's not like the car's been sitting for 3 months. See you tomorrow.